Swimsuit season always seems to get here before we're ready, but it's still not too late to get your swimming tummy into shape. All it takes is a little help from It Works. Users say the products are amazing and as close to magic as it gets. We welcome Megan Baker this morning with all the details. Plus, we have our very own Erin Howell. Thank you for joining us, both of you.
Thank you.
All right, I saw some amazing video before and after, and I want everyone to see this. But first, tell us, what is the product and how does it work?
Our Ultimate Body Applicators, they're a site-specific contouring body wrap. So you just put on whatever body part you want to shape up, and the all-natural lotion in there is going to help tighten, tone, and firm up that skin. It's an amazing product.
Okay, and how do you maintain it? Is it something where you put it on and then later it's just gone, or how does that work?
Well, you wear the wrap for at least 45 minutes. Some people leave it on for a little bit longer than that. They come in a box of 4, so you really want to do about 4 wraps for a good treatment. Once you get the look that you want, just maintain maybe once or twice a month with your wrap.
With your wrap. And what about diet and exercise? Is that something?
Oh, absolutely. I mean, it's not a quick fix. There's no magic pill for any of that. So it has to be a lifestyle change, and this just really helps, you know, get that jump started and maintained for you. Great.
And a lot of results, because I was watching your video, Erin. I want to show this. Okay, Erin's a mom. So
Of 2.
Of 2. She's done it twice. Okay. And here is your before shot.
Yes.
How fun is it to go on camera and pull your shirt up?
Oh, incredibly fun. Nice muffin top.
So where did you do the wrap? How did you guys wrap up? Here she is putting on the sheet. And how did it feel? Was it cold?
It feels like a spa treatment, basically. It's incredible. It really is. It's tingly, and there's a cooling sensation and then a warm sensation. It's really nice.
Now, when was this? When did you guys
last
do this?
Friday.
Last Friday. Okay. And so you're getting all wrapped up. I like that. I might just wear saran wrap all the time. It's like Spanx, but it's just saran wrap. It's cheaper. Okay, so you put it on. You left it there. Lovely ladies helping you out. Okay, 45 minutes later. Sorry, play-by-play. Because this is incredible. Immediately, could you tell some good results?
Yes, it was incredible, actually. When they took this off, I couldn't believe the results that I got. My skin felt better. There was less sagginess. Not that I like to admit that there was sagginess to begin with, but it felt tighter and smoother and
happy girl.
Happy girl.
Okay, that's incredible. And that was just 45 minutes right here in our studio? All right, and you are wearing the same pants right now, and you said it was Friday.
Last Friday, and these are fresh out of the dryer this morning, and so they're not, they aren't stretched out or anything like that, and I mean,
oh my goodness,
it's absolutely incredible.
So, did you measure before and after?
I did.
And how many inches?
7.
Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing? Isn't that great?
That is amazing. And I know I saw you yesterday and you're like, oh, I'm wearing a skirt that I haven't worn in a long time and I'm doing this and that.